Okay, so this game is called Dodge, and what you have to do is you gotta drag the circle and make it not hit the lightning bolts. If you hit the lightning bolts, you're dead and have to restart like that. Then you press the green flag to restart. The controls are this. That's it.
Okay, now the code. So for the dot, right when the flag is clicked, it hides. Wait for 5 seconds, and once the other backdrop appears, which is just blank white, the dot will follow the mouse everywhere it goes. When it touches the lightning bolt, and then it switches to this backdrop, which means it dies. And we explained that you press the green flag to restart.
Now for the lightning bolt. With this code right here, it sets the first lightning bolt to a specific position and specific size and then sends it down by -10 YE. And it also, after it reaches, this code right here is when it reaches the bottom of the screen, it resets back to the top, but repeats as clones, as was explained in this code before it, which sets 13 clones after the first initial lightning bolt. And once those clones appear, this code right here sets each one of those clones to some random position at the top of the screen. So when they come down, you won't know when they're coming down. And this code right here is when the lightning bolt touches the dot, it hides, and it stops the entire program, indicating a game over. And yeah, that is our game.